Hurricane Preparedness, Sheltering, and COVID-19. Visual description: David Cowan, a Caucasian bald deaf man with a long white beard, standing in front of a black background wearing a long-sleeved navy blue button-down shirt. When natural disasters hit, such as heavy rain, straight-line winds or hurricanes and tornadoes, and flood damage, you and your family may need to evacuate to a shelter, at least until reparations to your home can be made. Many people are averse to going to shelters because of the spread of COVID-19. You needn't worry. The CDC has established very specific guidelines. The information is available on their website. There are specific directions what to do. For example, bringing your emergency kit. All of the things that are necessary for you to survive several days or weeks. Medicines. Extra plugs and wires for your electronic devices. And other things that are necessities in an emergency. It is also wise to bring soap and sanitizer. As well as any cleaning wipes that you may have to avoid being infected with COVID-19. These things will help you clean your area and help protect you from COVID-19. The wearing of a mask and staying together as your family. Shelters follow strict social distancing rules, meaning that individuals who are from different groups or families should maintain 6 feet of distance from one another. This is observed throughout the shelter, because there are many people in the shelter seeking refuge from the storm and the damage done. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video to help inform others.